Behind your back, Discord bots and users have been saving your messages, whether to train AI, to dox you, or to track what servers you're on. And I'm going to tell you about a hidden flaw in Discord that allowed anyone to save public messages in any discoverable Discord server. Now, it all started when I got sent a link to this website, limzo.com. Now, this website is very strange. Half of it doesn't even work, just blank empty spaces, but what is going on here is that there is a Discord bot that is scraping all the messages in the Corsair Discord server and feeding it into an AI. And these statistics, there's nothing wrong with them. They're kind of quirky, like top interrogators that are users who have asked the most questions or demanded answers the most. But here's the thing. I don't think anybody consented to having their messages saved and stored on a website and publicly displayed for anyone to see. Now you might be thinking, why should I even care? And you should care because you had no idea that this was happening at all. The biggest issue that I have is that this could be used to track you across Discord servers, figure out what Discord servers you're on, and people could sell that information to people that want to stalk you. And what's that? Is that foreshadowing? Yes, it is. But another concern that I have is what happens if you accidentally send personal information. Now you might think people that do that are stupid, and I guess you'd be calling me stupid because there's plenty of times where I almost accidentally send my cute little dinner date plans in the wrong Discord server completely. It's a free heart attack, I tell you. This is the problem with getting old and senile. Now, even if you delete that message, it might be too late because that Discord bot that has been saving messages already saved your message and put it on the website. And once again, since you had no idea that this was happening, you have no clue that your personal information has been posted on a website. Now, the funny thing is that Discord's little flaw I've been hinting at made this so much worse. Because if I figured out that a website had my personal information or was storing all of my messages, I would try to report the bot inside the Corsair Discord server. So it turns out the bot's not on the server. Strange. So then I thought maybe it was Discord Selfbots, which are just normal user accounts that people will decide to run code on, which will save all of these messages and upload it to the website. But doing this breaks Discord's terms of service. So if Lizmo did this, then their website should be taken down. But it actually turns out that Discord gave this website all of the messages that they recorded on a silver platter because this website follows Discord's terms of service. But how? How is this possible? I'm gonna get a little nerdy for a second. The way that a Discord bot needs to save messages is that first you need to actually create a Discord bot. And once I create my bot, then I'll need to go to the Discord server that I want to save all the messages of, and I need to convince the admins to add my bot, which is almost impossible. And finally, once I do that, I could save everyone's messages. But here's the thing. At some point, when I reach 100 Discord servers, I will run into a roadblock. Discord has this thing called message content intent, and basically to see the contents of a message, to see what someone sends, you need to have this enabled. But if your Discord bot is in 100 or more servers, then you will need to verify your Discord bot and get it approved by Discord. But gamers, Discord has a 100% perfect feature. If you go on Discord and you scroll down, there's explore discoverable servers, and you can type in any server that you want. For example, we're going to do Corsair because that's what I've been talking about for the past however many minutes it's been. But this is a discoverable Discord server. And when a Discord server is discoverable, you can click on it and go into lurker mode or preview mode, where you basically get to see the server without you actually joining it. And this is a fantastic feature for seeing whether or not you want to join a Discord server, but only normal accounts should be able to do this, right? Well, I decided to make a unverified Discord bot. Now I'm going to get the token of my bot real quick. Now copying this bot token and opening up my fun little application called Insomnia, I am going to add my bot's token in authorization. But with my Discord bot, I am going to try and get the channels inside of a Discord server. Now, if we look at my API test bot here and I go to one of my test servers, we can see that if I open it up, view profile, mutual servers, it's only in one Discord server. It's in my cool server thing. But if I copy the ID of the Corsair Discord server, I open up my Insomnia thing and I run through this little endpoint here and I click on send, I can see all of the channels in the Discord server. And this is from my Discord bot, by the way. It is not in the server at all. So if I can see channels with my Discord bot as if it's lurking in the server, then I should be able to go to any publicly visible channel and get all of the messages inside of it, all while using Discord's API. So I'm going to give that a shot. I'm going to change up this code a little bit, and I need to get the channel ID, and if I go back into lurker mode on my other account, I can copy the channel ID of this channel. I add in the ID, and I click on send. I should see all of the messages inside of this channel, scraping it and putting it on my website or tracking you across this Discord server. This was working a little bit ago. Now, while I was scheming up the most devious video on the planet, there was a commotion going on. There was some Discord users users with an actual brain, unlike me, and they kept warning Discord that there was going to be a big problem soon. They could smell my Discord moderator presence. And literally within a couple of days of me looking at this thing, it got fixed. Oh no, video idea ruined, but actually this is a massive, massive W for Discord. This is a really good thing, because literally 2 weeks ago, you could have just saved every single message across every single discoverable Discord server without getting in trouble. But now it's finally over. Now don't get upset and think everything I've said so far is pointless, because there are still people with message loggers. For example, if I delete this message, open up an alt account, the message is still there, baby. But more critically, there are still going to be people that use self-bots to automate a whole bunch of stuff on Discord to save all of your messages. And these self-bots could be in 100 Discord servers at a time with one single account. But don't get any ideas, because back a long time ago, there was a website called dis.cool. And if you look it up on Google, you're going to see an absolute butt ton of negative Reddit posts of people just complaining. Now, what did this website do to piss off all these greasy Redditors? Well, dis.cool would scrape a ton of data on a ton of Discord servers, and it would all be used to track which servers people were on. You could literally stalk anyone on Discord just by searching for their Discord username. It was extremely simple, and everyone could do it. If you wanted to piss off one person, you could join on every single server they were on. Well, not every single server. It turns out that if you were just using the website normally, you would only see a limited amount of servers. But you know what? You could just solve that problem by buying premium. Yes, for $8 for a whole entire year, you could see everyone's Discord servers that they are on. Have you figured out what's going on? This is them selling your Discord data and allowing people to stalk and harass you. And that's why all these Redditors were extremely pissed off for a very valid reason. They're not greasy Redditors, they're just normal people that care about their privacy. And this was big enough of a problem where if you try visiting dis.cool right now, it's just broke. And it broke because Discord had to take this website down. But despite Discord being cranky about this, there are still self-bots that just sit in a whole bunch of Discord servers, and chances are, I almost guarantee you, if you are on a popular Discord server, there is someone sitting in there saving all of your messages. In this case, there's not much of anything of value to save. Don't know why people are wasting their resources on just scanning all these messages. But hey, there's gotta be something that I can do to prevent these self-bots from scanning my chat. And as a server owner, you can do something like add captcha.bot, but what this is going to do is when you add this Discord bot, it is going to completely annihilate your onboarding system. It is a massive hassle. But if you are a completely normal Discord user that goes outside once in a while, I know you guys don't go outside too often, what I would do to prevent your private information from showing up on websites and in people's little self-bots is just think twice before you send a message. Because even if you accidentally send your address and you delete it, there's going to be someone with a self-bot, or there's going to be someone with a message logger figuring out what you said and saving it for their own malicious purposes. And the cherry on top of it all is that even if it's not used for malicious purposes, every single Discord server that is big in any capacity has message logs. Everything you send on Discord is being logged. Always think twice before you send something. Bye-bye, I love you, gamer, and make sure to enjoy the rest of this nice, beautiful weather before it's gone, assuming you live in the northern hemisphere and it's summer for you right now. Anyways, bye-bye, I love you. Mwah!